Hello and welcome to Tech Tips and Tricks. In today's tutorial, we're going to have a look on how to synchronize audio files. If you have two video clips with the same audio on it, how to synchronize them up so that they sound good and that they are lined up. So we got Adobe Premiere 2018, and I have two video files in here that have the same audio file from my other channel that I have. And let me just click on there so that way it puts that video in the corner there. Got it preset, so that is already highlighted the top one there. So in order to highlight both of them, I hit shift and click on this one here as well. Well, let's listen to it first, see how this audio sounds, how badly it's matched up.
Good day.
As you can hear, that sounds terrible, doesn't it? Well, there is a very easy way to fix that with Adobe Premiere 2018. So because I got both of these selected already, all you got to do is right hand click on your mouse. Then you go to Synchronize. Well, here you can choose from which video file you want to keep the audio file, or basically which one you want to match it up to. Well, I have selected one, which is this one right here. This would be line 2, and this is the line 2 audio on the bottom here. So all I got to do is hit OK, and it synchronizes the audio. So you saw how that file moved? Well, then I click right here so to deselect both of these files. Then I hold my mouse right here so that the red arrow comes up. Then I just click on it and drag it right up to there so it's lined up. Then I click right here so it makes like a white box there. Then you can either hit delete or hit the backspace button to make it lined up. So let's listen to the audio right now and see if it's synchronized.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen.
That sounds pretty good to me, I would have to say. So I hope this was helpful for you. And if it was, please leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. We're going to do more of these here shortly. So thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.